People are definitely going to know by now that I'm mad keen about my car, right? And someone's got it with a pen or something. I hope the camera's going to pick that up. There you go, look. Someone's got it with a pen. I can't just leave that there. But one thing people need to be fucking careful about other people's property. Yeah, and I'm going to use some splash detailing concealer polish. It's good stuff, this. Right, I'm going to tag them below. It's nice and pink as well. It ain't expensive, but it's right good. It's called Splash Vanity. So I'm going to literally put a bit on me. I should put it on my rag really. So I'm going to do a little pea-size bit, and it comes out pink as well. It's not a pink bottle, by the way, guys. Look. Oh. And I've just got a clean microfiber. Right, and you can see the pen there. So what we're going to do is just give it some love. Gently, boys, gently, eh? Don't go for the golden straight away. Yeah, you've got to practice your foreplay. But I like to keep on top of these little marks like this, because I want my car to hold its value and stuff, don't we? And we don't want fucking horrible marks. So yeah, just work this in. It's dead easy to use. Like I say, I'll tag Splash below. John from Splash is ace, by the way. He's a really nice, down-to-earth guy. And all I'm going to do, just work that in. Little circular motions, just with the tip of my finger, and a clean microfiber. Nothing scary. You can put it on a power polisher as well if you really, really want to, but this is a little bit small of an area, really. So, and then I'll give it a little wub off. A wub off. Oh god, I can't get my words out today. Look at that. There's that little bit there that I'm going to work on in a second. That's it though. Gone. Dead easy to keep on top of your car, isn't it, guys? So I'm just going to do a little bit more there. I'm not going to show you on video because you've seen what it does. Really good stuff. Now I've always got a bottle of this to hand. Again, tag them below. John will jump on here and just tell you how good it is, and it's good for polishing up headlights as well, guys. That being said, I'm going to work on that a little bit and have a good weekend. Love you, bye. Apologies for the wind, guys, but just a little bit of bonus footage on this one as well for you guys that are going to go, but you didn't get rid of the other bit, did you? Oh yes, I did. Gone. Nothing left. Oh, it's just a bit there. Absolutely nothing left. Dead easy to keep on top of your cars, guys. And obviously this is a polish. It's not a cutting compound. It's nothing that's going to get anything deep and paint worthy out. But there you go, look. Dead easy. Sorted. And there's a bottle one last time. Bosh.